How's it going, everyone? Joe here. Welcome to CACHATTO Guide Videos. In today's episode, we will set up Splashtop for CACHATTO connecting app, and I will show you how to access the set streamer app. In this video, we will go through the setup of the connecting app on a PC and how to connect to the streamer PC via manual login. But before we begin, if you missed out Splashtop Streamer for CACHATTO setup video, click here. Now, if you're all caught up, let's begin. Download the Splashtop for CACHATTO window app installer on the dedicated website. Double-click on the installer. Click Yes to initiate and wait for a few moments to complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see the Splashtop for CACHATTO icon on the desktop. Double-click on the icon, and the login app should appear. Click on the settings icon on the top right corner. Set the user information, access point URL, login ID, and company ID. Check to your administrator on which type of authentication your organization is using. You may set the display name or leave it as is. Click Apply to save the set information, and close. Select the registered user and enter password. Click Login. Once login is successful, you'll see this window showing the list of available destination terminals. Choose which terminal you would like to access and click Connect. Now you can access Splashtop for CACHATTO via manual login. However, there is another way to log in into the app, which is via smart login. We will get into that tutorial next time. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest tutorials and other videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.